Hello everybody, my name is JPcrazy and today we're going to be showing you how to use materials in Blender. First up, we're going to go in here and we'll click this. Click that and click this. Today we're not going to be showing you the basics because we're not really actually making anything. We're showing you how to use materials, which is technically making something. Just not really. You're not really like changing the thing. You're changing the texture of it. Okay, first up, the basics of this. You click on base color and you could change its color. It's very simple, very simple. And it's a nice white cube, see? Very nice white cube. But let's see. If you set up transmission, you could see. Well, you could use middle mouse to look around, and Shift A is responsive in. Well, S to scale actually, and R to rotate. We're not gonna need that stuff. You can check out another tutorial if you need to see the basics. This is like if you want to upgrade your thing. Now let's spawn a cube, and we're just gonna have it here, okay? And we're gonna put roughness. It's down, and you can look at this. And well, first let's change this to sun and put it that way. You can see it's like, if we just shrink it and make it bigger, you can see it's like a mirror. It's a mirror. But then you could click on this, bring it up to glossy. Then it's a perfect mirror. It's literally perfect. Anything you do, if you start bringing up cube, boom, boom, boom. Yep, see? It's perfect. But now let's say we're just gonna spawn in another cube. And we're gonna just do it like that again. Then we're just gonna do this, give transmission all the way up, roughness down completely, and you're gonna see this one is kind of like a mirror, but then you want to change it, click on this and change it to glass this time. And you'll see it's a little reflective. It's a little reflective. It's just see-through. It's a little reflective. It's better when it's like thin. It's reflective. Which is weird. This also makes it look weird. Anyways, you could also do this trippy effect where, well, yeah, that's trippy. Anyways, let's see. If you spawn in another cube, give it a new texture. Let's see. Oh, give it a metallic. Put down the roughness. And I don't know, give it a bit of a... Oh, that's not right. Give it a bit of a, like a gray vibe. That was not supposed to happen. Go back in here. Metallic. Roughness. Put roughness all the way down. Don't put transmission up. And you're gonna see it's... One second. Yeah. Duplicate, rotate that way. Does this even... Boom. And you're gonna see, is this on cycle? This is on cycle. See, GPU. Okay. It's like it's a bit of a metallic vibe. If you spawn in another cube at this time, give it a new texture you could, where is it at? Roughness. The more roughness you put it up, the less light is gonna like be able to like. If the roughness is all the way up, the light is. The roughness, it's like not like the light is not gonna properly go on it. So let's say I destroy this. The light doesn't look good like this one. It looks a bit weird and stuff. And if you set this up, then it makes it look weird and glossy. So yeah, anyways, that's my tutorial and stuff. Wait, before anything. Also, if you want to make stuff glow, all you have to do is go over here, value, and set that up like 10 or like 100 or something, and it's gonna glow. And then if we just then boom. It's holy. Yeah, it's kind of crazy when you do that. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. My name's JPcrazy. See you next time.